Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to view private account on Instagram. To view private Instagram account without following, first, follow requests. Send a follow request to the private account. Once your request is accepted, you can view the profile's content. Second, Google search. Sometimes images from private Instagram profiles are indexed by Google. Try entering the profile's username into Google Image Search to see if any past public images appear. Third, ask a friend. If you have friends who follow the private account, you could ask them if they'd let you look or share content. Fourth, fake Instagram account. You can create another Instagram account, not recommended due to ethical reasons, and send a follow request from there. Fifth, third-party services. There are apps and websites that claim to allow viewing of private Instagram profiles such as Insta Stories, Watch, InstaLooker, Private Insta, InstaReaper, Instagram Private Profile Viewer, IG Lookup, Insta DPS, and Like Creeper. It's essential to be cautious and avoid tools that requires excessive permissions or seem sketchy. Viewing private Instagram profile is difficult, but there are some methods to try. One way is to send a follow request and hope the user accepts it. Another method is to create a fake account and send a follow request. But this is against Instagram policies. Using third-party apps or websites is not recommended as they are often scams or can harm your device. What's stopping you might be the fact that you don't follow them. Sadly, their Instagram account is private and you can't view their posts or stories. Privacy is a priority for Instagram. Therefore, like other social networking platforms, Instagram users can also make their accounts private. You know it already, right? Users can hide all of their photos and videos from the people who are not following them. But what the drag? You feel curious to check out a private account. What to do? If you don't know, don't get anxious. We have all that you need to know. But before discussing how to see a private Instagram account, check if you knew everything already or if there is more. Your Instagram account has everything about you. It is more thorough than your resume, probably. But let's agree, your Instagram profile reveals more personal details than any other social account. By default, your account is open to everyone. Yes, everyone can view your posts and stories. But you can also make it private. If your account is set to private, only your approved followers can see your photos, videos, etc. What setting your account to private on Instagram means is that not everyone can see your business. Only the people who follow you can engage with your content. Even when you use popular hashtags, your posts stay hidden from those searches. It also means that non-followers have to send a follow request first to view your posts. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.